Milwaukee introduces the M18 Fuel Switch Pack Sectional Drum System, delivering the easiest transport, up to 2 times clog breaking power, and up to 5 times faster braking. Transporting your equipment to the job has never been easier. Utilizing a modular design with backpack straps, the SwitchPack system is the first to allow true mobility to access any job, anywhere. Quickly interchange between drums for different drain lines, or connect a second one to reach 100 feet and benefit from a fully enclosed drum that contains the mess. The M18 Fuel Switch Pack delivers more power than corded drain cleaning products, allowing you to clear drain lines up to 100 feet. An integrated drum brake delivers up to 5 times faster braking, allowing you to react faster if the cable starts to bind up. The large non-slip foot pedal gives you more control on wet surfaces. Milwaukee Tool is passionate about delivering a host of drain cleaning solutions to service plumbers and facility maintenance professionals. The M18 Fuel Switch Pack Sectional Drum System is just one piece of the drain cleaning system of products designed to keep you working with less hassle, to get out on more service calls. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Switch Pack Sectional Drum System.